Welcome back to the channel. I'm moving the Bluebird in over the pit by myself, and I forgot to even do a video, but here we go. Look at this. Got a rope hooked to the forklift. My Japanese friend. There's the pit. Ah, look way down there. And there's the bus. Rope tied around the axle. Gonna go. I think it'll be fine. I need to turn the wheels. Let me see if I can do that. Hold the camera too. Hold on, gotta walk around the pit. So what I got is a 36-inch pipe wrench right there. Fairly large, and that's heavy as shit. I stick it in a wheel hole right there. Like that. Hold on. Got to put the camera down. Give a little tug with the wrench in the wheel hole. I'm here by myself. You see the yellow stripe on the floor. As long as the wheels are to the pit side of that stripe, it's not going to fall in. See the stripe? See the wheel? Back around to the forklift. Bus coming over. My tool truck is in the way. Let me move it. Finger in front of the lens. All right. I'm going to see if I can make this happen while I'm driving. Hopefully I don't fall in the pit. What the hell was that? All right. Backing up. It's hard to see through a forklift mast. I'm not watching the camera as much as I'm watching the bus. So I had to turn the bus 90 degrees out in the yard, and I pushed on the tire with the forklift to get it to scoot over to turn the wheel, and I backed it up. Had the rope tied to it. Safety first, you know. Okay, I need to adjust the wheels again. So I don't have the tripod, so hold on again.